Hello my dear students. So today we are going to discuss about the force between two current carrying conductor. दो conductor है, they are carrying current along the same direction as well as in the opposite direction. You have to find the value of magnetic field or the force between the two conductor. So let's start the very first thing, that is in the previous lecture what we have studied, we have studied the force on a current carrying conductor. एक conductor है कहाँ पर magnetic field में, उसके ऊपर कितना force लग रहा है, we have already calculated in the previous lecture. So in this lecture we will calculate the force. Remember, today we are going to calculate the force, but there are two conductors. This is also very important. They may be asked for 2 marks or 3 marks in examination. So, and very important is that numerics. From this they may be asked many numerics from this portion. In entrance exam also you will get some questions. So let's start. There are two conductors. Suppose there are two current carrying conductors. They carry current along the same direction. Suppose there are two current carrying conductors. They carry current along the same direction. I am doing for the conductor carrying current along the same direction. You can derive for the conductors carrying current in opposite direction. Similar way you can calculate. So let us consider in the first conductor the current is suppose I1. In the second conductor the current is suppose I2, and the separation between the two conductors is suppose R. The separation between the two conductors is suppose R, and the length of the two conductors is suppose L. Or you can say this is infinitely long straight conductor. Let us consider there are two infinitely long straight conductor. They are carrying current along the same direction. दो conductor है, they are carrying current along the same direction. They are just kept like that. So you have to calculate the force between the two conductors. So let's start. And this is also they may be asked for short question. So I am just giving first bit, that is just give the heading force between two current carrying conductor. Two current carrying conductor. Force between two current carrying conductor for 2 marks or 3 marks. 2 marks or 3 marks. The first case is that the two current carrying conductor, the current flows along the same direction, or you can say like current. You can say these are two which current, like current or parallel current. You can say also somewhere they will ask like currents also. Like current means the currents are flowing in the same direction. So very first thing is that current flows in same direction. Same direction. You can say also this is like current or parallel currents. Like currents or parallel currents. करंट का जो डायरेक्शन है, एक ही डायरेक्शन में दो करंट जा रहा है, ऊपर की तरफ, ये भी ऊपर की तरफ. और सेकेंड केस में हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे, द करंट इज इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन, और यू कैन से एंटी पैरेलल करंट्स और अनलाइक current. So what will happen between the two conductors? If current is flowing in the same direction, what will happen to the conductors? Whether they will attract or they will repel. Because if current is flowing in the first conductor, then because of it there will be magnetic field around it. Because of first conductor there will be magnetic field around the conductor, that is we have studied. So because magnetic field will be there and current is flowing in the conductor, so it will experience some force. तो उसमें क्या लगेगा, फोर्स लगेगा, क्योंकि इस कंडक्टर में करंट जा रहा है, तो करंट जाने की वजह से क्या आ रहा है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आ रहा है. तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आएगा इस कंडक्टर की वजह से. ड्यू टू द फर्स्ट कंडक्टर देयर विल बी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, एंड दैट मैग्नेटिक फील्ड we are keeping this conductor in the magnetic field of first conductor. पहले वाला जो कंडक्टर है उसकी वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आ रहा है, तो उस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में एक कंडक्टर के रख रहे हो एंड करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन द कंडक्टर, देयरफॉर it will experience some force. Similarly, इस कंडक्टर में करंट जा रहा है, इट विल क्रिएट सम मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, इसके वजह से कुछ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आएगा और उस मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में कौन सा कंडक्टर है, पहला वाला कंडक्टर है, तो दोनों में कुछ फोर्स आएगा। बिकॉज वी हैव स्टडीड इफ यू आर कीपिंग a conductor in a magnetic field, it experience some force. So how will be that, what will be the direction of force, let's see. So because of this first conductor, what will be the direction of magnetic field, you can use right hand thumb rule. So इसके वजह से current ऐसे जा रहा है, so the magnetic field will rotate like this. We have calculated the magnetic field between the two conductors in some numerics in the static, but here we are calculating the force. तो ये कंडक्टर में करंट जा रहा है, तो उसके वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऐसे घूमेगा। आई हैव शोन यू, सो इट विल बी लाइक दैट। आई एम ड्राइंग द सर्कल बिकॉज ऑफ द फर्स्ट कंडक्टर। पहला वाला जो कंडक्टर है उसके वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का जो आएगा कैसे आएगा, इट विल बी सम सर्कल्स। सो द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बिकॉज ऑफ फर्स्ट कंडक्टर विल रोटेट लाइक दिस। बिकॉज ऑफ द फर्स्ट कंडक्टर द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल रोटेट इन सर्कल. So it is the first conductor, because of it the magnetic field is supposed like this, it is rotating like this. Current is flowing in this direction, so magnetic field will rotate like this. So what is the direction of magnetic field here? I have told you, those who have not watched that lecture, watch it carefully. I am not going to explain. I have shown in 3-dimensionally also. So at this direction the magnetic field is outward direction, it is in this direction. So here the magnetic field will inward to the plane of paper. So the magnetic field will be inward to the plane of paper, that is V1. Why I am taking V1? Because it is the magnetic field because of the first conductor. Because of the first conductor the magnetic field here is V1. Here is how much, V1. इसके वजह से पहला वाला जो कंडक्टर था उसके वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कितना आ रहा है, V1 at this point. And at this point, see here the conductor is having magnetic field in the inward direction and the current is flowing in the upward direction. So what will be the direction of force at this point? Then in which direction force will act at this point? So use Fleming's left hand rule. You know, by using Fleming's left hand rule we can calculate the direction of force. So I am just, everyone should try to keep their fingers by seeing the video or by pausing the screen. Just pause the screen, imagine where will be the direction of force at this point. So at this point the magnetic field is inward and the current is in the upward direction. Just do of yourself. खुद करने की कोशिश करो, स्क्रीन को पॉज कर लो 1 मिनट के लिए, फिर खुद करो। द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इनवर्ड, द करंट इज इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. सी माय हैंड, द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज इनवर्ड, द करंट इज इन द अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. सो द फोर्स विल बी टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड, टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो फोर्स का जो डायरेक्शन होगा किधर होगा, इस साइड में होगा. द फोर्स एट दिस पॉइंट विल बी इन दिस डायरेक्शन. सो आई एम डिनोटिंग दिस एज F2. So remember, don't never confuse with I2, B1 and F2. B1 is the magnetic field because of the first conductor. पहला जो कंडक्टर था उसके वजह से कंडक्टर 2 में कितना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आ रहा है, that is B1. And at this point the direction of current is in the upward direction, that is I2. Here the current direction is I2. And the force will be along this direction using Fleming's left hand rule like this. The magnetic field is inward, force is in, sorry, current is in the upward direction, the force is in this direction. ये हो गया पहले कंडक्टर के लिए. पहले कंडक्टर की वजह से वहां पर कितना आ रहा है. Similarly same thing you can do for the second conductor. सेकेंड कंडक्टर में करंट जा रहा है ऊपर की तरफ, तो उसके वजह से जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आएगा सो ऐसे घूमेगा, सिमिलर सर्कल. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कंडक्टर, सेकेंड कंडक्टर, आई एम ड्राइंग द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड फॉर द सेकेंड कंडक्टर. इट विल बी रोटेट लाइक दिस, इट विल रोटेट लाइक दिस अकॉर्डिंग टू राइट हैंड थंब रूल. तो उसके वजह से जो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आएगा तो इस सर्कल में इट विल बी लाइक दिस सर्कल. मैग्नेटिक फील्ड विल रोटेट लाइक दिस. किसकी वजह से, सेकेंड कंडक्टर की वजह से. बिकॉज ऑफ द सेकेंड कंडक्टर the magnetic field will rotate like this. I am denoting with arrow mark. So the magnetic field will rotate like this because of the second conductor. Because of the second conductor, the magnetic field will be rotating like this. So at this point, we need the direction of magnetic field at this point. So at this point, the magnetic field will be outward to the plane of paper. इधर क्या होगा? magnetic field का direction बाहर की तरफ होगा. So the magnetic field at this point will be outward to the plane of paper. So it is outward to the plane of paper, that is B2. Why I am saying B2? Because it is the magnetic field due to the second conductor. पहले वाले के लिए जो magnetic field था, that is B1 at the near to the second conductor, and because of the second conductor, the magnetic field at here is B2. So here the direction of current is in the upward direction. See here, the direction of current is in the upward direction. So where will be the direction of force? Just use your left hand so you can find the direction of force. That's why I told you in this chapter, imagination is very important, and one more thing, that how much you are understanding, how much you are watching the video carefully with proper concept. So let's start here. The direction of current is in the upward direction, magnetic field is in outward direction. Just pause the screen and try to keep your hands like that. See here, magnetic field is outward. So magnetic field कहाँ पर है? बाहर की तरफ है. And current is in the upward direction. So force का direction कहाँ होगा? इधर. See my hand so that you can see. Keep your hand like this. Magnetic field का direction कहाँ पर है? बाहर की तरफ है. Current का direction कहाँ है? ऊपर की तरफ. And the direction of force will be along the direction of thumb. So the force will be along this direction. That is F1. So this is very important. This figure is very important. Where will be the direction of force? So this direction of force is towards that side. So देखो, जो पहला कंडक्टर था उसके वजह से कितना फोर्स लग रहा है? F2. तो उसका डायरेक्शन कहाँ है? इधर की तरफ है. The direction of force acting on the second conductor is along or towards this side. Because of the second conductor, the force acting on the first conductor is towards that side. तो क्या होगा? ये जो कंडक्टर, पहला वाला जो कंडक्टर इधर जाएगा, तो दूसरा वाला कंडक्टर इधर आएगा, क्योंकि दोनों में फोर्स लग रहा है. तो दोनों में फोर्स लग रहा है, तो जो पहला वाला कंडक्टर, जो दिस इज द फर्स्ट कंडक्टर, दिस इज द सेकंड कंडक्टर. So the force acting on the first conductor is towards this side, and the force acting on the second conductor is towards that side. So they will come together because they will attract each other. So that is the concept, that the two or like current attract each other. Remember, this is very important. In short question they will ask the like current attract each other. Correct the sentence. Or like current repel each other. Correct the sentence. Remember, the like currents or the current flowing in the same direction in two conductors, then the two conductors will attract towards each other. We have seen by this. So let's start. The magnitude of this force. What is the magnitude of this force? We will calculate. So very first thing is, just write it. Let us consider. Just write it in your language that there are दो कंडक्टर है, उसमें करंट जा रहा है इतना इतना, दोनों में सेपरेशन कितना है? R1. That much you should write. So write it. Let us consider. सब लोग अच्छे से लिखो. मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ उसको अच्छे से लिखो. आप बहुत सारे बच्चे क्या है कि इधर जो मैथमेटिक्स है उसको लिख के भेज रहे हो, उसको अच्छे से नोट्स you should have a proper notes. So write in properly. So let us consider two current carrying conductors carrying current I1 and I2. Let us consider two current carrying conductors carrying current I1 and I2 in the same direction, and R be the separation between them. R is the separation between them. That much only. Then just write the magnetic field, the magnetic field, the magnetic field, suppose this point is P, I am saying this point is Q. Just draw the figure, properly draw the figure. That point is P, this point is Q. The magnetic field due to I1, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू I1, पहले जो कंडक्टर है उसके वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कहां पर, एट P, द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू I1 एट P, P में कितना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आएगा, ये एक पॉइंट है इस कंडक्टर में, एक पॉइंट है, तो उस पॉइंट में कितना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आ रहा है पहले कंडक्टर की वजह से, the magnetic field due to the first conductor at P will be how much, that is that you know the formula, B equals to mu naught I by 2 pi r. This is the formula due to a long straight conductor we have derived in the starting of this chapter. So B equals to mu naught I by 2 pi r. Current किस में जा रहा है, I1. So the current is I1. Don't take it as I2. I2 नहीं लेना है क्योंकि किसकी वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड बिकॉज ऑफ I1 के वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड यहां पर कितना आ रहा है, वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्यू टू I1 एट P. सो करंट इज I1, इसके वजह से वहां पर कितना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आ रहा है, जस्ट रिमेंबर दैट वन. सो डोंट बी कंफ्यूज्ड, इट इज B1. फर्स्ट कंडक्टर के वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कितना आ रहा है, म्यू नॉट I1 by 2 pi r. Then the force acting on the second conductor, just write it in language, on the second conductor of length L. Suppose ये जो लेंथ है, छोटा सा लेंथ है, I am taking that L. Suppose that length is suppose L. Then force कितना लगेगा, that force is, you know that F equals to, what is the formula, force on a current carrying conductor, in the previous lecture we have studied, that is ILB sin theta. So ILB, so कहाँ पर force calculate कर रहे हैं, we are calculating the force at here, so F2 here, that is I, इधर कितना current है, the current at this point, what is the current at this point, that is I2. We are calculating force on the second conductor, तो उसमें कितना फोर्स लग रहा है, that is ILB sin theta, that is F equals to ILB sin theta. तो current in the conductor, length of the conductor and B magnetic field at that point. तो इस point में we are calculating force, तो इस point में by इस conductor में कितना करंट जा रहा है, I2. So I2 L length B, इधर B कितना है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कितना है, B1, इधर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कितना है, B1. Remember we are calculating the force on the second conductor, that is at point P. So ILB B1 sin theta means sin 90. Here current and B are at 90 degree according to Fleming's left hand rule. So all are perpendicular to each other. So this angle is 90 degree. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा, F2 equals to how much, I2 L B1, I2 L B1. तो B1 का जो वैल्यू है इधर डाल दो. This is equation number 1. So just put the value of equation 1 here. So how much it will be? I am writing. Just do it. Mu naught I1. So इधर I1 I2. So ये हो जाएगा mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r into L. This is the force acting at this point. So we need to calculate कितना फोर्स लग रहा है. हम लोग कितना लेंथ लिए थे, we are taking a length of L. Length of L is this much. So per unit length कितना फोर्स लगेगा, we need to know that one, the force acting per unit length. तो per unit में कितना फोर्स लगेगा, just divide this to this side, so it will be how much, I am just writing here F by L, that is force per unit length of that conductor. इस conductor में per unit length में कितना फोर्स लग रहा है, that is we have calculated द फोर्स ऑन फॉर ए लेंथ एल, एल लेंथ में कितना फोर्स आ रहा है, सो पर यूनिट लेंथ कितना आएगा, इस एल को इधर ले आओ तो ये हो जाएगा पर यूनिट लेंथ, सो दिस विल बी F2 विल बी हाउ मच, F2 by L equals to mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. Remember this formula is very important, force per unit length or force on the second conductor. सेकेंड कंडक्टर में कितना फोर्स लग रहा है, यू कैन से F2, यू कैन, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग दिस इज फोर्स पर यूनिट लेंथ है, फोर्स इक्वल्स टू म्यू नॉट I1 I2 by 2 pi r. So remember this formula, that is force on the second conductor. इस कंडक्टर में कितना फोर्स लगेगा, the magnitude of force is F2 equals to, that is F equals to mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. This is very important, one of the important formula for solving questions you are preparing for JEE also need. This is going to very helpful, and in your examination also they may be asked for 2 marks to derive the force. So very first thing is that you can how you are imagining the force here and the direction of current and the direction of magnetic field. So I am once again I am repeating very fastly, so try to listen carefully. इस point में magnetic, what you need to calculate at this point, you need to calculate first magnetic field, then force, direction of force. So here the magnetic field, because of the first conductor, पहले वाला जो कंडक्टर था उसके वजह से वहां पर कितना मैग्नेटिक फील्ड आ रहा है, V1. So I am writing V1 equals to mu naught I1 by r, because I1, why I am taking I1, because we are calculating for the current I1 at this point. So this is, then you can calculate the force per unit length, that is F equals to I2L B1. Why you are taking I2? Because at this point the current is I2, so I2L length of, suppose I am taking this much of length, so L B1, because this point में magnetic field कितना है, B1 sin 90, because B1 is the magnetic field due to the first conductor. Don't confuse with that one. So if I confusing with I1 and I2, then you can't calculate that one. So listen carefully. So F2 equals to I2L B1 sin 90. So F2 will be, just put the values here, you will get this one. Similarly, you can calculate for the second conductor, first conductor. First conductor में कितना फोर्स लग रहा है. In the same way, you can calculate B2. इधर इसको लिख लो पहले. Just pause the screen and write it. तो second conductor के लिए कितना होगा? इधर हो जाएगा B2, ये हो जाएगा I2. Because इधर magnetic field कितना है, B2. किसके वजह से, I2 के वजह से, because you know that if current is flowing in a conductor, I is the current at this point, B equals to mu naught I by 2 pi r. This is the formula, general formula. लॉन्ग स्ट्रेट कंडक्टर के लिए मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का फॉर्मूला mu naught I by 2 pi r. इस कंडक्टर में कितना करंट जा रहा है, तो इस कंडक्टर में करंट जा रहा था I1, तो इस कंडक्टर में जा रहा है I2, तो ये हो जाएगा I2. So it will be F1. Just change the interchange the terms, or you can write directly. After writing that, just follow the instruction. After writing this one, F equals to F2 by L equals to, just write F2 by L equals to, I am just writing mu naught I1 by 2 pi r. Similarly, just write it. Similarly, no need to write it again, just write it. Similarly, we can write, similarly we can calculate, similarly we can calculate the force on fast conductor, force on fast conductor. Similarly, you can calculate the force on fast conductor is how much, F equals to how much, mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. F1 by, just write it, F1 by L. F1 by L. Same length. We are taking for the same length. So F1 will be this one. So you can say that the two forces are equal and opposite in direction, because इसमें direction कहाँ पर है, उधर के तरफ है. इसमें force कहाँ है, इधर के तरफ. The two forces are equal and opposite, and they attract each other. So after writing this, just make a note, which is very important for sub question. This is very important for sub question. that the two, sorry, just write it, make a note, just write it, like current attracts each other. Just note it, and this is very important. Remember, this is for 1 mark question, that like current attract each other, or if the direction of current is same, the two conductors will attract each other. ये चार्ज के तरफ नहीं सोचना है. चार्ज में क्या होता था, टू सिमिलर चार्जेस रिपेल इच अदर, बट करंट में क्या होगा, अट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. तो टू कंडक्टर्स अट्रैक्ट इच अदर, दोनों पास आ जाएंगे. ये उसको खींचेगा, ये इसको खींचेगा. The two conductors will attract each other. Next one, just write it. If the current is in the opposite direction, current का direction अगर opposite होगा तो क्या होगा, just do it of yourself. कंडक्टर में current अगर opposite हो जाएगा तो derivation same ही होगा. Derivation is same, but the figure will be different. Figure will be different, but the derivation will be same. So I am not going to derive that equation, and you also no need to write the derivation. Similar way you can write, but the figure is very important. So second bit में लिख लो unlike currents, और you can say anti-parallel currents. दोनों में करंट जा रहा है लेकिन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. इसमें करंट ऊपर की तरफ जा रहा है और इसमें करंट कहाँ को जा रहा है, नीचे की तरफ. So the current is flowing in the opposite direction. So same thing, because of the fast conductor, इसमें करंट I1, इसमें करंट I2, तो इसके वजह से वहाँ पर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ड्रॉ कर लो पहले. The magnetic field because of this one will be like this. It will rotating like this. So at this point I am doing very firstly, because many times I have told you, here the magnetic field will be inward, B1. तो B1 का डायरेक्शन अंदर की तरफ होगा, and the direction of current is in the downward direction. So where will be the direction of force at this point? खुद करो, स्क्रीन पॉज के आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. नहीं तो ऐसे आप देख रहे हो तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा. इसमें देखो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड का डायरेक्शन कहाँ पर है, अंदर की तरफ. करंट कहाँ पर है, नीचे. देखो ऐसे हाथ को ऐसे रखना है, because the magnetic field is inward to the plane of paper. See my hand, it is inward to the plane of paper and direction of current is towards this side. So force किधर लगेगा, इस साइड में. तो इसमें फोर्स आएगा इधर F1. सिमिलरली इसमें देखो, इसके वजह से अभी इसके वजह से मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, we have to draw the magnetic field because of the this conductor. So उसमें करंट नीचे जा रहा है तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड ऐसे घूमेगा. So it will rotate like this. So वहां पर जो मैग्नेट इस, it will rotate like this. So at this point it will be inward. इसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इनवर्ड होगा B2, and the direction of current at this point in the upward direction. करंट का जो डायरेक्शन है ऊपर की तरफ है, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड अंदर की तरफ है. So where will be the direction of force? Just do it of yourself. Just keep your hands. Magnetic field उधर है, current का direction. So the force will be along this direction, because the magnetic field is inward to the plane of paper. Current is in the upward direction. So force का direction कहाँ होगा, इधर की तरफ होगा. This is very important. You should know how to use Fleming's left hand rule. बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं वो सोच रहे हैं what I am teaching, and some people who are understanding, they are in, this is F2, sorry, this is F2, this is F1. So देखो, the force acting on the fast conductor is towards this side, the force acting on this conductor is towards that side. So the conductors repel each other. इसमें इसके वजह से जो फोर्स लगेगा इस कंडक्टर को, उसको उधर क्या होगा, it will push this conductor towards that side. Same way this conductor will push this conductor towards this side. So the conductors will move away. That's why two unlike currents repel each other. Make a note, write it. Unlike current repel each other. Very important, repel each other. Just make a note, draw the figure, and derivation is same. Same thing as similar way we have derived in the, for the first case, similar way that you can calculate force here. First you have to calculate magnetic field, then force, then current. In examination there you have to write one case. either first case or the second case, what derivation is same. So what your choice. So you can write one of the, if the question is asking for online current, you have to draw this figure. If the question is asking for live current, you have to draw this figure. So that is the difference. So in this what they will ask some questions. Suppose मान लो एक कंडक्टर है, दो कंडक्टर है, you want to balance the two conductors. Same thing, same questions as you have done in the electrostatic. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक में जितने सारे सवाल है उसी हिसाब से आप इसको कर सकते हो. मान लो इसमें करंट जा रहा है I1, इसमें करंट जा रहा है I2. सपोज यू वांट टू बैलेंस I1, तो इसमें कौन से डायरेक्शन में करंट जाना चाहिए जिसकी वजह से इसके ऊपर में ये कांस्टेंट रहेगा, नीचे नहीं गिरेगा, इट विल रिमेन कांस्टेंट इन इट्स पोजीशन. सो व्हाट विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस करंट. तो इसका डायरेक्शन किस तरफ होना चाहिए ताकि ऊपर में जो कंडक्टर है वो जहां पर है वहीं पर रुकेगा. तो the direction of current should be in opposite direction because this will repel this with this force in the upward direction. This is one type of questions they are asking also. इसमें current इधर जाएगा because the two online currents repel each other. तो ये उसको ऊपर के तरफ what will it will repel this with a force F. So they will ask this force also. They will ask this distance also. Find this distance. That force formula you know that mu naught I1 I2 by 2 pi r. इसका weight suppose मान लो m, तो नीचे force लगेगा mg. So you can equate with mg. I'm just giving some examples. There are some questions like that. mg नीचे लगेगा, ये force ऊपर लगेगा, ये balance होगा. That means mu1 I1 I2 by 2 pi r mg. और उसमें भी क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं नीचे को बैलेंस करना है. सेम क्वेश्चन दे विल आस्क इफ यू वांट टू बैलेंस द कंडक्टर डाउन साइड. नीचे जो कंडक्टर है उसको बैलेंस करना है. इफ करंट इज फ्लोइंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन एंड यू वांट टू बैलेंस द सेकंड कंडक्टर, सो व्हाट विल बी द डायरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. इट शुड इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. इफ द टू currents are in the same direction, they will attract each other. So ये जो इसको force F से खींचेगा ऊपर की तरफ. Direction should be in equal way. So this will be mg. So F equals to mg. Just balance it. They may ask many questions regarding the find the mass also, find the force, find the distance where you are keeping the second conductor. And also there are some questions. मान लो ये square है, square इधर एक current carrying conductor है. So calculate the force. इन दोनों के बीच में कितना force है, just calculate, find the force at this point or at this point. Somewhere they will ask find the force between the loops. There are many questions in SL or similar types, so just try to solve that questions. So इधर force कितना आएगा दोनों के conductor के बीच में. They are flowing in the same direction, so they will attract each other. इस दोनों के बीच में attractive force आएगा. इस conductor की वजह से the current is flowing in the opposite direction. इसमें नीचे आ रहा है, इसमें ऊपर जा रहा है, तो दोनों में repulsive force आएगा. Then net force equals to attractive force minus repulsive force. Which one is greater? This one is greater. This one is smaller. So attractive force minus repulsive force. Find the net force also. इस टाइप का भी क्वेश्चन है, आप कर सकते हो कहाँ से, SLR से. और विल prepare some short videos, we'll share it to you. So just watch the videos carefully. So thank you for watching.